In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text on Squarespace. Whether you're just getting started with your Squarespace website or looking to polish up specific areas of your design, centering text can make a big difference in creating a clean and professional look. It's a simple adjustment, but it can really enhance the overall layout of your site. So let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. If you've already signed up with Google, you can also use the Continue with Google option to log in. Just make sure to choose the Google account that's connected to your Squarespace website. Once you're in, you'll be ready to start working on your site. Next, access your website editor. You can do this by navigating to your site through the Squarespace dashboard. If you see a direct link to your site, go ahead and click on it. Alternatively, you might need to select your site from a list of websites in your dashboard. Either way, this will take you to the editor where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, look for the Edit button and give it a click. This will open up your site's content for editing so you can make changes directly on the page. Now you're ready to start customizing. From here, locate the Add Block button within the editor view. Think of blocks as the building pieces of your website. They allow you to add different types of content like images, videos, and of course text. Click on Add Block and a menu will pop up with a list of options. In the menu, select the Text option. This will add a new text block to your page. It might appear as a blank section at first, but don't worry, we'll fill it in with your content next. Now, hover over the new text block you just added. You'll see an edit icon appear. It usually looks like a small pencil or similar. Click on that icon and you'll be able to start typing your desired text. Feel free to add whatever content you need here, whether it's a title, a description, or something else entirely. Once your text is in place, it's time to align it. Look for the Text Align option in the toolbar. This gives you several alignment choices, like left, right, or center. To center your text, simply select the Center Alignment option. You'll see your text shift to the middle of the block, giving it that balanced, polished look. After you've aligned your text, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located in the top corner of the editor. Click Save, and your changes will be applied to your site. This step is important because it ensures that your centered text is visible to your visitors exactly as you intended. And that's it. You've successfully centered text on your Squarespace site. By following these simple steps, you can easily adjust the layout of your text blocks to create a more visually appealing design. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.